Everybody shake.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video right here at T-Liska 10 Adventures. Today we're installing Monkey Wrench Racing shifter bushings / shifter base bushings. The reason I'm replacing these is I'm having a pretty bad slop in my transmission right now when the car is in gear. So every time I put it in gear, it's just wobbling pretty crazy. So there's two ways to go about this. One is to go from the top. Excuse me. As you can see, I did remove the intake box, the cruise control, and basically there's one right there and one is behind this guy right here. Had a hard time trying to find a video on this. So I tried doing it both ways. Easiest way that I found is jack up your vehicle, remove your tire, and if you come under here, you're going to see them right there. Here's one, there's two. So to install these, literally all I used was needle nose pliers. Remove the pins, as you can see right there. I used the needle nose pliers to pull out the bushing. Actually, I jammed it in there and popped out. New bushings go in, as well as the C-clip and then the pin. I did use the supplied lubrication to lube up the little cylinder thing there. And you can see there, obviously the C-clip is going to move and stuff like that. But they're in there, and yeah, that's literally all you have to do. So again, remove the driver's side rim, which I thought was the easiest thing to do, and then both the bushings are right there. And then we'll go to show you the base bushings. Okay guys, we're here at the shifter base bushing. This is super easy. All this does is you remove your shift knob, pop this up. There's a 12mm bolt, as you can see, 4 of them. You're literally gonna take off the 12mm and pop these little rubber bushings out. Put in the new solid ones, top and bottom, and then put the screws. So basically the bottom ones won't stick in good, so you gotta put them down first, then put the top ones. Then I like to do is put my bolts in. That way it's nice and loose, but you'll be able to get all the threads in. You'll fill it in, and then yeah, that's literally all you have to do. You're gonna torque these down to 20 Newton meters. Yeah, and I'll let you know. Y'all, shifter bushings, definitely a yes. And the base shifter bushings for Monkey Wrench Racing. The shifts are so much more firmer and stiffer. It just makes it so much better driving it wise when you're just daily driving the car. So I highly recommend this as a daily driver. Yeah. Like, subscribe, more Corolla XRS, 4Runner, and S2000 stuff. Thank you.